Hi everybody, and welcome to beautiful Lake Arrowhead. We're going to take you on a tour of our newest listing. This is nestled in what I would consider the flat spot, the only place in Lake Arrowhead where you'll find consistent sidewalks. So this is mountain living, lake living, and community living all combined into one. So let's take a look at this awesome listing. Come on. So this beautiful constructed house was done by Majestic Builders here in Lake Arrowhead. You'll find a lot of different contractors that have built here. This is definitely one of the more quality of those contractors. This house is I would call it a ranch with an upstairs, because pretty much everything living down here on the main level is accessible and easy, with one extra bedroom and bathroom for guests on the second floor. So it's not actually a ranch, but definitely a master on the main with a guest room. Let's take a look at the guest room real quick. As we come into here, we've got this guest room that's being used as a guest room slash office. It's spacious. It has access to the hall bathroom through here. And then the hall bathroom is a full bathroom, which is great for when you're hosting guests. They don't have to go through a bedroom. At the same time as if you have somebody who's sleeping here, you can lock the outside door and they can have a private suite. So it works well. So this house features a hardwood, hand-scraped wood floors, as well as a kitchen island that you can literally seat probably comfortably 5 people. It's currently set up for 4. The kitchen is the open concept floor plan, so the kitchen overlooks the great room, and you've got granite countertops with the cabinets and stainless steel appliances. This is an excellent place to hang out, and the eat-in kitchen section of it is just off to the side. So everything flows so extremely nice in this property. Over to this section back here is where you're gonna find the garage and the laundry room, as well as the pantry. So we have a large pantry, a closet, a coat closet for when you come in, as well as your laundry room right off of the garage. When you enter through this way, you come into this open concept floor plan, and as you look up here, this one has the cedar beam package. So there's cedar beams throughout, kind of giving you a little bit of that cabin feel. This is really a great amalgamation of mountain life and lake life, because Lake Arrowhead boasts this wonderful lake that's spring fed. It stays the same level year round. And so living here, you've got not only hiking trails, you've got an 18-hole golf course that is kind of second to none because we're in a mountain country. You've got the mountains, and you've got this serene community living. This open spacious area right here, as you can see, fits a massive sectional. This could be laid out lots of different ways, and is deep. As you come off the kitchen, you come into the master suite. The master suite is extremely large. This is great spacious. It'll fit a king-size bed with plenty of space on either side. You have a great view right out to the patio, as well as you enter in over here to the master bathroom. This is one of the crowning jewels. Check out this master bath. So in here, they continue the same granite theme for the countertops, but they go with this very cool ceramic tile that is a cross between a marble and a stone look on it. And then they carried that theme through the shower in here, which you'll notice it has a bench seat and it's an oversized shower, so plenty of space. I wouldn't call it handicap accessible because of the step, but it is extremely easy to get in and out of this. There's no real dangerous steps in there. And then that wraps in, and they keep the same floors going in the closet as they did in the master bedroom and throughout the rest of the main floor of the house. This is the walk-in master closet. Plenty of space to look in here. And now we're gonna go take a look at the upstairs. Okay, so I know I said it was like a ranch because of the main living, that 2-bedroom, 2-bath that's down there. So you have the 1-1 that's up here that completes this just under 2,400 square foot. Up here it's carpeted, and you have a full bathroom with the same finishes and features that's behind over here, and this kind of loft area. So this could be a multi-purpose area. This could be a small entertainment space. And this particular floor plan has the ability to continue to add another room up here. Over here, right now it's set up as walk-in storage, but I'm going to show you how seamless it would be to be able to go ahead and sheetrock this and make this into an additional room. You could make this into a 4-bedroom if you wanted to. So we're coming into the attic space, and you can see it's fully decked in here, and it's got plenty of room. So this literally could be a 4th bedroom if it were completed on through here. So there's a lot of space and a lot of flexibility in this model. Now, the people who bought and built this house built it to be kind of that ranch style house with an extra guest room upstairs that kind of separates from the house. And so we'll finish showing you the flow with the third bedroom up here, and then we're going to go into the backyard and show you a really cool feature back there. And this is the upstairs guest room. So this is bedroom number 3. It's way bigger than the guest room downstairs that is being used as an office as well. So if you have older guests that don't want to do stairs, you've got the one downstairs. If you've got a family maybe with kids, like you're bringing somebody up here and they need more space, this right here can accommodate a king size bed and a lot of extra people, plus it separates the noise floor from downstairs. So the house is really great for any size family or any group of people that just want separation with the people upstairs from the people downstairs. So this is the screen porch. This area, if you want to be away from the bugs, this is completely contained and screened. And it's not exactly an all year round, but because we're in the North Georgia mountains, just on the edge of it, you do get decent weather during the winters. And this place boasts a gas fireplace. It's actually a wood burning fireplace set up for gas, so it's converted for gas, so you can have fires year round. So most of the time you'll be able to hang out here except for the really cold days in winter. And if you wanted to, they do make vinyl type screens that go over this where you can contain this particular space and actually capture some of that heat to make it a year round. And one of the things that's great back here is you actually see the mountain view that's behind you, and then we have a stone patio that's set up for a hot tub right here and a hangout area that is second to none. Let's take a look. So we're standing out here on the stone patio. This is where the hot tub would sit on this. We're going to show you this landscape view behind and how we sit high up in the area. It's right off the screen porch, and a couple other things about this house that you're going to want to know. This house is not only meticulously maintained by the people who built it, but they have a full Generac generator with a buried propane tank that is owned by the owner. Whoever buys this house has their own tank. And in Lake Arrowhead, from time to time, when the weather does get dicey, it's known to lose power up here. This house will never lose power. You have a lot of extra bonus features here. The Generac, the outside fireplace, the screen porch, the living on the main level, stepless for the first 2 bedrooms on this main floor, an open concept plan with a fireplace and cedar beams in there to bring this whole thing together. This house is awesome. So if you're interested in the lake mountain life living here in Lake Arrowhead, this house is the one for you. Please give us a call and reach out to the number below if you'd like some more information or you want to take a tour of this house. Thanks so much, and we'll see you next time.